let's make a kitchen out of Legos. We got a 16 by 16 design here. Let's start with an island. 4 by 8. Let's center a range crossing that island. 4-foot walkway going each way. Countertops each side of that range. Let's add a little kitchen sink on the back wall here. And then our fridge right next to the entrance to the mudroom. And a 16 by 16 space, this actually works out great. Entrance to the mudroom here, opening to your dining nook area here. Kitchen sink out the back window there. I've done a lot of plans with this exact layout. The downsides here, you have a lot of fighting for workway space. So the work triangle is big, interrupted by the island. If you move the fridge to this wall, now our range is off center somewhere. And the seating on the island gets a little awkward because you have walkway spacing on both sides. So you really are limited to this back area here. You can sneak some around this corner. I've done that in kitchens before, but just make sure this walkway is pretty big. Let's go over another option. Now let's go back to our same 16 by 16 room. Let's see if we can open that island up to our dining space that, let's imagine, is over here. So let's get that sink still on that back wall. So we've got a nice sized island here. We have open space for seating on 2 sides. The issue is we need some more floor plan area over here for a walkway if we're gonna get through that. Also, our range on this wall is no longer centered, but could still work. It's centered within this space, fridge in this wall. We have a little bit better working triangle, a lot better seating, and then this all can be open to our dining area. Still window out the back.